Now, a tropical depression, eNCA, still brings in cloudy, wet and windy weather across Madagascar. In comparison, South Africa's weather is quiet on Wednesday, with a few fog patches along the western and southwestern coastline, and we saw an increase in thunderstorm activity over the interior, with thundershowers extending from the Northern Cape all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal, with a bit of cloud and light rain remaining over the northeastern parts. Overnight, we'll see a cold front move in over the southern part of South Africa, bringing in rainfall all the way through to Thursday. As that front heads up the east coast, it cools temperatures off and also brings in cloudy and wet weather, especially for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. We'll see scattered thundershowers into Mpumalanga and the Free State, with a few isolated thundershowers over the central parts, and then sunny and warmer weather is expected in the west. A moderate southeasterly to easterly wind is forecast over the northeastern interior, with a southeasterly wind of between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour from Port Elizabeth to Springbok, with strong winds along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. A cooler day is forecast for KZN, with most highs in the mid-20s. We're forecasting cloudy and wet weather, especially over the southeastern parts where widespread thunderstorms are expected, with a chance of rain for Lunti and Richards Bay. It'll be a cloudy and chilly Thursday throughout the Eastern Cape, with a combination of light rain and showers. 22 degrees for East London, 18 for Bishu and Grahamstown, and we're also expecting rainfall mainly in the first part of the day over the southern part of South Africa, with highs in the low 20s from Mossel Bay through to Port Elizabeth, 25 and partly cloudy for Beaufort West. The day starts off with some light rain into Robertson as well as Swellendam and Bredasdorp. A sunny and warmer day is forecast for Cape Town at 20 and 31 degrees, just shy of 40 for Vredendal. Fine and dry weather continues for the Northern Cape, 38 for Uppington. But with a cooler day over the southern part of the province, Sutherland and Colesberg, both in the mid-20s. Isolated thundershowers are forecast for Kimberley as well as into the western Free State, 31 for Bloemfontein. But with a cooler day and scattered thundershowers over the eastern parts, Zastron at 25 with the possibility of thundershowers. Very little change in the weather for the northwest this week, with the possibility of thundershowers and maximum temperatures mainly in the upper 20s and low 30s. Partly cloudy and warm for much of Limpopo, but with the chance of light rain for Zanin and Phalaborwa. We'll see scattered thunderstorms into Mpumalanga. Quite a mix of temperatures here, 29 degrees for Bombela and Omelo at 22. In Gauteng, Pretoria can expect partly cloudy and dry weather at 30 degrees, with isolated thundershowers for the rest of the province, and you'll see a high of around 28. On Friday, we're expecting a sizzling hot and sunny day for Cape Town at 35 degrees, with most of the rainfall in the forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. Dries ahead further inland, with partly cloudy and cooler conditions in the northeast all the way through to Saturday. On Saturday afternoon, we'll see a few patches of thundershowers over the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.